Seeing Error Internet Disconnected in Chrome. Don't worry, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it on Windows. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your PC is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Try opening another device to confirm your network is working. Restart your router if needed. Step 2. Restart Chrome. Close all Chrome windows and reopen the browser. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary network glitches. Step 3. Disable airplane mode. If you're on a laptop, check that airplane mode is turned off. You can find it in Windows Settings /Network and Internet /Airplane mode. Step 4. Reset network settings. Press Windows + R, type CMD, and press Enter. Type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each. Restart your PC after running these commands. Step 5. Check firewall or antivirus. Sometimes firewall or antivirus settings block your connection. Temporarily disable them and check Chrome again. Remember to re-enable protection afterward. That's it. Error Internet Disconnected should now be fixed, and Chrome will connect normally. Like and subscribe for more fast PC, browser, and app fixes.